To always get the best out of your new Renault Captur, some components will need maintaining. For optimum visibility, check the condition of the wiper blades and replace them if necessary. To replace the windscreen wiper blades, with the ignition on and the engine off, raise the wiper control stalk twice. This makes it possible to release the wiper blades from the bonnet and facilitate their replacement. Press on this tab and release the wiper blade upwards. To refit the wiper blade, insert it into its housing in the arm, then clip it by pushing on it. A click indicates to you that the wiper blade is correctly in place. Ensure that it is correctly locked by pulling gently on it. Then fold the arm down onto the windscreen. Then return the wiper blades to the low position by operating the wiper control stalk upwards. The wiper blades are stowed underneath the bonnet. To fill the Screenwash reservoir with the engine off, pull this lever to unlock the bonnet. Go to the front grille of your new Renault Captur and push this tab to fully open the bonnet and lift it up. Use this fixing stay to hold the bonnet open by placing it here. Open the Screenwash reservoir cap and fill up until the fluid appears. Always use suitable Screenwash fluid. Use an antifreeze product in winter. Refit the cap and close the bonnet. Ensure that your bonnet is correctly locked before taking to the road again. New Renault Captur for sheer driving pleasure.